In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Apple Pencil Pro with your iPad. Before even starting, so you don't lose any time, this Apple Pencil Pro is only compatible at the time of making this video. So right now we are in July 2024. It's only compatible with the iPad Pro 13-inch M4, iPad Pro 11-inch with the M4 chip, the iPad Air 13-inch with M2 chip, and the iPad Air 11-inch with M2 chip, the one I have right over here. It will probably be compatible with future iPads that are not out yet, but if you're trying to make it work with anything other than what I have told you, unfortunately you won't be able to use it and you won't be able to charge it as well. So how do you charge it? Very easy. On your iPad, you're gonna find this spot over here that is a different color. It's a charging pad really that is magnetic. It's located on the longer side of your iPad where the volume buttons are. So if I twist it the other side, you see there's absolutely nothing. So this is why we need to come over here to the magnetic charging pad. Take your Apple Pencil Pro and you're gonna notice it has a flat side where the logo is. The other side of the pen is all round and smooth, but this side is flat. You just have to drop it in the middle where this charging pad is, and since this is magnetic, you just need to find it. Here we go. You see it has clipped in place, and you should see the battery level of your Apple Pencil Pro at the same time. If you do not see anything, it simply means that the pen is completely dead, and you just need to let it rest at least 10 minutes so that the iPad can actually recognize it. If you want to know the battery life, how much battery is left inside, you just have to lift it and put it back. And then you're gonna see quickly, it only lasts a minute, how much is left. But there's also another way on how to check the battery life without you having to put it back and remove it. You simply need to add a widget that is showing you the battery life of the different devices that are connected to your iPad. So how do you do this? Very simple. Simply keep your finger pressed anywhere on the home screen here until the app starts shaking. But now you're going to press the plus icon on the top, and over here you're going to have batteries on the left side. Tap on batteries and then select one of these widgets depending which one you prefer. I'll select this one. I'll press add widget, and from here you see you need to place it on the spot you prefer on the screen. I'll put it here. Press anywhere on the screen to stop everything shaking, and here we go. Right now we're gonna have the iPad battery and the Apple Pencil Pro battery side by side, so you know how much is left even when you're using it or it's not connected to your iPad magnet with the magnet. So this is it. This is how you actually charge it, usually by letting it sit over here for about, I would say, 40 minutes. It should be fully charged at the end. Don't quote me on this. This is just by what I have noticed. Maybe sometimes it takes more time for some people. But in my case with my iPad Air, this is about the time I need to let it rest. Otherwise, I highly suggest you get a protective case that has a small space for the pen. So over here, if I put the iPad in this case, like that, and I close it, you see the pen can stay attached at all time and it's not getting damaged, and it's not possible for it to fall away since it's magnetic. So I'll put link in the description to Amazon if you want to get a case that looks like this one with a small attachment. If not, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.